Hi guys! My name is Shini and nabilang ko sa 52nd batch missionary. Shout out sa mga 52nd batch missionaries.
So why did you join 1000 Missionary Movement?
So I joined 1000 Missionary Movement because I was diagnosed with suicidal depression. Tapos nagpatambal ko sa psychiatrist. Tapos one of her advice is to join community work. Tapos ang ihapong mga advice is siya nga medication are just temporary. So tapos ako lang ang makatabang sa akong kaugalingon. So ayun, from that moment na remember na ako ang saad sa Ginoo nga mag-join ko og missionary after makakuha ko og degree. Nakalimutan na ako because I was so focused with ambitions and goals. Dako siya og tabang sa kuha, laban na in also having a healthy relationship with him, also to myself. So if you have the means to go to psychiatrist or psychologist or any therapy, just go. Pero before that, pray muna that God will give you the right one, because sabi nga nung one of the psychiatrists that I followed, sabi niya that finding a psychiatrist is not easy. That's why I tell you to go to a therapist, because they will give you the right questions, they will facilitate you the right questions, and the right conversations, give you validations, empathy, to help you in to help you uncover that sa depressive thoughts sa imo. It is not going to be magic nga after one session it will be over na. It's a process and it's a stage.
So Shini, I never knew that you had depression, because every time I see you, you're always bubbly, you're always smiling. Pero may pinagdadaanan ka pala, mga ganyan sa buhay.
Yeah, so most of the psychiatrists, they will always advise community, having a great community as support system. So I think the 1000 Missionary Movement really helped me have that healthy community, to a support system, and to help me to focus on what I can do instead of focusing on what I lack. So the program also really helped me, like the QT time, quality time.
So okay ka na ba ngayon, or do you still go through that?
There are, kasi yung depression kasi there will be episodes. So there are times that, like example like January, like wala na, pabaya na ako sa sarili ko, and then one day na ako, I am going to papunta na ako sa depressive self. So ayun, nagpray ako, and then I started working out on myself again, and exercise, taking care of myself. Sabi ko nga kanina, is psychiatry and psychotherapy. So it's a partnership between you and the therapist. Kasi ikaw lang. Like kahit anong ganda pa yan ng therapy style, pero hindi mo tinutulungan yung sarili mo. It's a partnership. So I am inviting everyone who are also struggling depression, lalo na pa yung may mga suicidal ideation or suicidal, yung parang na talaga, ginagawa na talaga yung mga suicidal na attempt, go explore the world, join 1000 Missionary Movement, and so you can makabalik ka sa core mo in building yourself once again, and not only hindi siya para yung magiging foundation mo is growing with the Lord. So ayun lang.
Okay, Shini, stay happy.
Thank you. Fighting.